Welcome back, dear students. Now today we are performing here live calculation. In live calculation we are going to do the sum live. Okay, so that you can understand this thing very nicely. So that's why here my purpose to do live calculation is that sometime maybe you don't understand the question. So dear students, here we have first question. Suppose find the value of cell potential if you are given the potentials of and that we are taking this, we are going to take from your only assignment. Just I have given you assignment, and from that assignment only I am copying this thing that you can understand. Okay, so for assignment I am taking this that you can understand this, so I will remove this from directly assignment, I will copy. Okay, so here is the question, and the question is find the cell electric potential of the cell given below if the values are given like this, if you are given value like this. Okay, so read out the sum and we are doing it's a solution now. Okay, so solution, how to make solution, dear students. Now you know that step, which steps you should follow. I know that first step, you know that okay, first to find out E degree cell, and here is the equation to find out E degree cell. Okay, so to find out E degree cell, we have E degree cathode minus E degree anode is the equation. And dear students, this E degree cathode and E degree anode might be you know now, okay, where from we are going to find out. See dear students, cathode means right side portion and Ag is right side portion. That's why the value of cathode will be degree Ag plus and Ag. Okay, same time we have anode, that is sodium. Here it is anode, so value of anode is given minus 2.7. Okay dear students, so we are going to put these value in the equation and see. Now cathode is first, and cathode value is 0.8, and that's why I have to put 0.8 minus bracket minus 2.7, that will give you 3.5. Answer of what? The answer of E degree cell. Now we are going to find the real answer, that is the E cell. We need the Nernst equation, and the Nernst equation is like this, dear students. You can see that Nernst equation is here. So E cell is equal to E degree cell minus 0.0592 upon n log of anode by cathode. We will enter this value. Okay, come on, let's enter this value here. Which values are given to you, and that we are going to check out now which value are given to you. See, first is written E cell. For your betterment I am enlarging it. Okay, see, first the given E cell. So where is E cell? E cell is nothing but the E cell we have to find, and that's why I am putting there question marks. E degree cell, just we have calculate E degree cell come 3.5 volt number of electron, and that number of electron, now any doubt, number of electron will be only here 1 and here also 1, so that's why number of electron will be 1 only, so I am writing there 1. Okay, number of electrons are 1. Okay, then value of anode, so concentration of anode. Now what is the concentration of anode? You can see concentration of anode is given 0.01 and concentration of cathode is given 0.035. We should put this value. So concentration of anode 0.01 and concentration of cathode we are taking 0.035. 0.035. Okay, now we are putting back this value into the nonce equation. That's why I will write here nonce equation again, and then we will put the values. I am writing here nonce equation. Here I have written now nonce equation, and now E cell we have to find value of E degree cell. Just we have calculated, and the value of E degree cell come 3.5. Okay, value of n was 1, so in place of and I am writing 1. Okay, for your betterment I will enlarge this so you can understand. Okay, then anode value you have written anode value 0.01, and cathode value is there, and cathode value is nothing but the 0.035. Now take out the calculator, and taking calculator find out the value of division. I will, this is nothing, 0.592 divided by 1, તો એનું એ જ રહેશે. Okay, here divide, so I am dividing that. Okay, also you also do that in your calculator. Okay, so first I will write log. Okay, log remain as usual, and the value of calculating this will be, yes, you know, I know that you have done rapidly than me, because you are very powerful in calculation from calculator. So answer is 0.2857. So I am putting 0.2857. Okay, it's only 2863 value we will take. Okay, so this is the our first part. Now E degree cell or E cell that we are going to calculate. So E cell is equals to, further we will applying. Okay, inside what is happening, 3.5 remaining as it is. Okay, 3.5 will remaining as it is, and here log 0.286. So find out, you know, what is the way to do calculation of that. How many times what? 13 times square root. Okay, then after what you have to do? After 39 times square root, what you have to do? Minus 1. Okay, and then multiply by 3558. So 3.5, 0.0592 remaining as it is, and here log into log value we have calculated, so into bracket what your answer is come. My answer is 0. Actually minus 0.5436. Now calculate this answer. Okay, calculate multiply this answer with 0.0592. Okay, so what's your answer is coming? Minus minus become first plus. Okay, so here 3.5. Okay, minus minus become plus, and so answer is 0.3218. Okay, now to calculate this addition. So answer is 3.5 plus 0.3 is 8218 volt. This is the final answer. So hope that you understand this live calculation. Okay, how to calculate the question. See, it is very interesting and very easy. Only you have to take out the value and put it. In next video we are going to also think out the other type of question, and be ready for that. Okay, so upcoming video will give you the idea how to calculate the unknown values, that is x value, that we have done in previous video. Okay, so hope that you enjoy this calculation and be ready for next.